Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying healthy. Thanks for liking my kitchen tour video, really means a lot. In this video I am going to show you all how I organized my refrigerator. Hope you all love it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button. So let's begin the video. It completely depends on what kind of items you used for cooking and have to store. I have shown what I store and it may give you some ideas to keep your refrigerator organized. Firstly, we're gonna start with fridge and then to the freezer. In this fridge door, I keep some egg and here is some cheese cream. This cheese cream is my son's favorite. And olives. Olive usually I used in pizzas and salads. Next to dirt, here I store some tablets that we have to keep in fridge, wet wipes and henna, that kind of things here I stored. In this stand I store whipping cream and cheese cream that I used for making ice cream. Milk, leaven, yogurt and sometimes Pepsi if I had at home. If you want to store water, you can store in this box, but usually we don't prefer to drink cold water at home. In the bottom I keep rose water, ketchup, chili sauce, mayonnaise, kevra water. Here I keep only those items which needed for refrigerator after opening. In this small drawer, I kept cheese, dates, chocolates, Pepsi tins, cream. And next to that, here I store all my green leaves. I had already posted a video on how I store green leaves, or curry leaves and green chilies. If you want to check it out, please check out in the description, or you can click the I button also. And ginger garlic paste. I use this anti-slip fridge liner. In this portion I stored fruits and vegetables. I usually buy 2 or 3 fruits at a time. In this small box I kept some garlic cloves and ginger. In this box I store some leftover curry and here cucumber. Next to that, I keep carrot, beetroot and lemon or any kind of vegetables. In this box there are some items like jaggery, seeds, condensed milk, tea milk that I usually kept in this box. In this box, I keep all veggies. Usually I buy vegetables and fruits every week. If you want to keep the vegetables or fruits fresh, just wrap it with cling film, and it is really helpful for keeping vegetables or fruits fresh. Now in the freezer, I keep all my non-veg or frozen items here in this section. Usually my freezer will full in Ramadan, but now there is a lot of space. Here I kept coconut. This side I keep some frozen peas, paneer and ginger garlic frozen cubes. This ginger garlic cube you can store for more than a month. I had already posted a video, check it out in the description box. Hope this video may help you all. If it may, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.